Oh, the lights are so cute.
That's how you sharpen it. I'm about to go over here. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy King K, and we back again with another banger. Anyway, we about to do a little wood burning pit. I'm about to set this up real quick for the Christmas time. You know what it is though. Marshmallows and all that. You know, we got O's in the building. We got Sumo. We got my boy in the building. That is it. Yeah, your boy King K, real quick and easy. That's how you sharpen it. I'm about to go over here.
With the big homie. This nigga wanna label up the land. So he keeping the old school, old tools, old school, old tools.
Old tools all day. We outside.
We outside for real, nigga. It's a real for outside shit. We've been outside. That's the whole thing about this shit. We trying to show you that we've been outside, man. We've been outside. We've been doing this. We fuck with the video games too, though. We started that era, but there was an era before that. We was outside doing this. Oh, watch this nigga right here. That's why I got stay far.
You see that?
I got stay far away from him.
Look.
He's a big homie and whatnot, but still, I got stay far away from him. Yeah, he ain't done this in a while.
This dude right here. Perfect cuts. All the way in there, man.
Okay.
See? Look at that. You see, I use my little string. Oopsies.
Okay.
That was an accident.
Okay.
This shit got the handle kind of shaky on this though. It's not stable. That's because you got the bootleg.
See, you supposed to wrap that shit up.
Huh?
Back in the day, niggas wrap that shit. Get that shit a different flavor, nigga.
I mean, probably did have it wrapped, but you know
keep that shit tight. Keep the grip. It's a grip. You gotta get the grip right.
The grip is shaky. Look.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, I know.
That shit is like you can't even.
Yeah, you gotta wrap it to get the grip right.
Like this just to keep it steady.
No, okay.
And you can't really get no good little.
You got to work your way around too, though.
Nice. I would get to them on that side.
We outside, man. For real. Now we're really outside. Doing some outside shit.
I ain't gonna hold you. I'm kind of hood with it, so that's all I really need.
Oh, you see that? You see that little? The nigga just did he did that style right there.
You know the vibes.
Put some shit.
Fuck him, man. I don't know.
No cutlass.
You come back away.
Yeah, lawnmower. He used to lawnmower.
I'm just coming
know you
out
color
and
back
my
on.
dress
You done with this?
What is that, mama?
Where you not coaching?
Work.
Is it on me
I don't
properly?
want to
Yeah,
cut
it's
everything right
on
now.
It's fine.
You're doing the last work right now.
You know?
I don't want to do the bedroom work.
My son in the back of the bush
Back I was bush.
in Jamaica.
They ain't gonna have no wood.
Go back and look.
Trust the technology don't change everything. Not when you just press the button. A lot of more wrong. You're not doing this.
I'm gonna be technical and go ahead and right
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
there. This dude right here, bro.
You outdoors. No, there you go. You can tell you ain't barbecuing a long time, nigga.
Real master. That's the least. That's the least.
Catch fire!
That's all. That is it. You throw your little chip in there. And brown.
Ain't wasting no time.
You got it? Look, say hi.
Hi.
All right, no more. Now say something for later. Say something for later, no more. There's a whole lot. Huh?
That's it. It's doing its job. It's burning.
You feel the heat though?
It's not good.
All right, fam. So that concludes that part. Got it going. So now later on, once you get the marshmallows popping, once you get the marshmallows popping, you'll see what it is. Damn, Fifi.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Bella.
Hey,
Look at Bella.
Kill it! Look, another one!
Oh, those are some huge spots. What in the world? Oh, no.
No, 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 hell no, no.
That is big. Where's the other one? What is going on around here?
Where'd the other one go?
What? Turn off the camera to do what, man?
Wait, dang, where is so big?
That is so. Oh my goodness. No.
Away from Crunchwell?
Look at this scary one. Look at her. Why you all the way up there? Right. Look at her. What? You kill it.
I walked towards this
My idea, my design, everyone has nothing. No, you know you don't get it.
Roach, kill, smush, stab.
Wipe your mud. Running. Exercise. Chalk. Made. Cleaning.
Scrubbing.
Made.
Mopping.
Stevie Wonder. Scrub.
Buffer.
Vacuum.
Shoe shiner. Buffering.
Wash it.
Cleaning.
Shoe shiner.
Oh, he wasn't doing it right?
Yeah.
Shoe shiner.
Oh, you can't do that?
Clean, dirty.
Oh, Rusk. They know what
You
you're
know what?
The ground, the floor.
Carpet. What? But why you do it?
I saw. Watch off.
What was that?
Dang, babe, you smashed. Merry Christmas, guys.
You told me to make it one?
No, but
Sit here, you just gotta speak.
yes, I'm
So
gonna.
technically, he'll let
You
you
gonna take
go.
one bite and say you don't want it.
No, that's not true. So, guys, I made instead of making a typical,
No. Look at you. Go ahead, do your thing.
instead of making a typical breakfast, I did the viral TikTok toaster strudels breakfast sandwich, and it's like 4 something. So this is kind of considered brunch, cause you know. Fifi Vibes TV was in the kitchen. Every time I'm in the kitchen, she's in the kitchen.
Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
But anyway, I hope you guys are having a good Christmas today. I hope you guys got everything that y'all wanted. Yeah. But your girl's gonna dig in. You don't want to finish it? Look at this.
Save it. That's how good it is.
Ooh,
Exactly.
look at this, y'all.
No, I don't trust you.
I'm about to dig in. So guys, dinner is finished. As I was telling you guys that we were going to do a non-traditional Christmas dinner. So we did 2 viral dishes, which is the marry chicken, even though I forgot the sun-dried tomatoes. So yeah, that's the marry chicken. I also paired with some white jasmine rice. I did some plantains, and I also did deviled eggs with honey hot shrimp, which is the appetizer. Yes, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy Christmas with family and food, game, fun, music, just like I did. Thank you guys for the support. Bye-bye.